Everyone, today's makeup tutorial is actually a very much glamorous sort of look, and recently I did my everyday makeup series look, which were very much soft looks which you can carry on every day. So I decided to come back with a look which should be a very much glamorous. How I have created this glamorous look, watch the full tutorial for that. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so whenever I post new videos you get the notification and you watch my video. Before starting my tutorial, I have already done my eyebrows. The rest I'm doing is my eyes. I will use my NYX Above and Beyond concealer. I will use this concealer under over my eyes and under my eye area, and I will also try to make a sort of I will also try to clean my eyebrows with this concealer. I have actually applied the concealer and now I will set my eyes. This is Morphe 35F and I'm using this shade on my eyelid area to just set my concealer. You can take any brush. All we have to do, we just have to remove the thickness of the concealer. Whatever I'm doing on my one eye, I'm doing side by side on my second eye, and I will show you both eyes together in the end. You can either apply a tape or either you can clean up. So I think I will go up with the cleanup thing. So I have taken this my Maniso pore vanishing smoothing powder. Just dab in a sponge. Really good. Now this will work as a guide where I have to end my eyeshadows. I bought this brush from Walmart and the company called is Equate. And I bought this brush in 2.5 Canadian dollar, which is I think a good deal. I just certainly bought that. So the first shade which I'm going to take is this shade. I link down below all the shades which I'm going to use. This is Morphe 35F palette and I will apply this shade just on my crease area. I'm using this fluffy brush and I will just blend this eyeshadow. This brush was from Know Me. It's an, I think, Switzerland brand and I bought it from China. The next shade that I'm going to use is this one. And again, I will apply it. I will actually more darken that eyelid area. Sorry, it's a crease area. You can see I'm actually not just dragging it, I'm just applying it on a tapping motion. So I have a control wherever I want to apply this eyeshadow. Again, you need a clean fluffy brush and just blend it everything you have applied. I'm also drinking my tea with it. So the shade which I'm going to use is this one, and I will use this shade on my outer corner of my eye. This shade is quite louder, but we will apply a black shade so it will just get diffuse. Just slowly build the color, and we don't want it on the upper crease area. Basically we just want it on the lid area. So I'm done. You can see I always use my pupil as a guideline. Then again you need this fluffy brush. Just clean it so whatever you have applied before, or just blend it, it should not be on your brush, and you have to blend it inward. You have to blend it here too. We just want to remove the edges and we are not doing anything else. Again, we need this small brush, and what I will do, all you need is black color or either a sort of gray color, whatever you have. Slowly I will build the color and then a bit on my crease, the same black one. So you can see black has lots of potential even if you don't apply black directly on your crease. If you just take out from your outer corner to the crease, it just, okay. Now we need a good blending. The next thing, we need this eyeshadow. This is pink. and any flat brush, and I will apply on my half. This moment I didn't apply any setting spray or anything else. Here we have applied this pink eye shade too. Now I will blend both the eye shades, and I will finish the under eye area, and then I will apply the glitter. So what I'm doing, I'm just from loose hands, I'm just doing, you can say, I'm just clearing out everything which looks bad or which looks uneven. For my under eye, first I will take this shade, and then I will take some black shade, and I'll merge everything out. Now on the tip I have applied black, and it's just on the tip. Once you are finished applying under eye, just take a brush, flat brush, and just blend. Another thing which I'm doing, I'm using this this NYX Professional Makeup Eye Pencil, and it's actually white pearl, and I will apply on my tear duct. It's optional, you can leave it, or either you can apply the black one, but I really want to pop out my eye, so I'm applying this one. It's totally optional. Now I'm taking this my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I need a clean flat brush, and I'm using Miss Rose Professional Makeup. This palette is 18 color glitter palette. So the glitter which I'm going to use is this one. I don't know what's the name. Maybe somewhere it's written. I don't know, but it's sort of pink, and this palette is it's two shade. They are in two color. It's 1 and 2. So I bought the 2, and I really found very much good reviews about it. Actually, it didn't bring any glitter. I don't know why. Now it has come. Okay, so you have to actually press it for the glitter. Like really dig out for glitter. And here you have to tap it. But on palette, you have to drag. Okay, some has fall here. I have to clean. Even though I heard that there is no fallout for Miss Rose glitter, but I'm not sure. I just watched the review, and they were really good, so I just ordered the palette for the glitters, because it's quite cheap, and it's not only cheap, but it has lots of glitters. Usually you just get one glitter, the amount that you bought the whole, I think there are 18 glitters. So I think that was really cheap. Another thing that I want to add, I actually want to add some sort of silver here, and for this purpose I'm using LA Color Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow in this, and I bought it from Dollar Tree. The brush is really not nice. It's so hard. It's just like you're applying some sort of broom on your face. But in $1, the way it's looking, it's good. It's really good. Okay, so now I will do the cleanup process, and then I will apply my eyelashes, and I will finish this look.